How's it going, everybody? This video is going to be even shorter and even sweeter, just like a candy dumpling or something very sweet. Tres leches cake from, I don't know, wherever it's from. Okay, so with this one, modeling with nonlinear regression, pretty much that is if we are given data points, we can come up with an equation that it represents. This is all done in the calculator. You pretty much follow these steps: stat, edit, enter your list 1 as your x values, enter your list 2 as your y values. Quit out of that, hit stat, calc, and then select whatever type of regression that you want to do. Today, since we are in chapter 3, we are only going to be dealing with exponential and logarithmic regression. So let's jump in. We're going to look at a couple examples, but let's take a look. Okay, here's our first example. So with this one, we are being asked to find the exponential model and find the value when x equals 10. Well, what I'm going to do, again, this is all done in the calculator, so here's my calculator. What I'm going to do is hit the stat button. So stat, I'm going to edit. Oops, sorry, you didn't see that last screen. So stat gets me to this screen, and I'm going to edit. So I just hit enter. I'm going to enter list 1 as all my x values. Oops, come on. And list 2 is all my y values. 1, 6, 23, 124, 620, 3130, and 15600. Okay, so there is my chart. I'm going to quit out of that to go back to the main screen. And then the next step was go to stat, choose calc. Since I want exponential regression, I want exponential regression. So I'll hit enter. It will take me back to my main screen. I just hit enter again, and it shows me my equation. Notice for A, I have 1.044 if I round it. So I have 1.044 right there. It tells me the B value is 4.948. So I can say that my equation is y equals 1.044 times 4.948, all raised to the x power. So now if I want to figure out what it is when x is 10, I can just plug that into my equation. So I have 1.044 times 4.948, right? Yeah, raised to the 10th power. So looks like 9,183,271.16. So 9,183,271.16. There we go, when x equals 10. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing, except it's going to be logarithmic regression. All right, in this one we are doing the same sort of thing, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull up my calculator. I'm going to go to stat. I'm going to edit my list. This time I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And look, I have 2 values I don't need, so what I can do is just hit the delete button. It gets rid of one of them, hit delete again, it gets rid of the other one. Then I can go in and enter my y values. So 8.6, 7.2, 6.4, 5.8, and 5.4. And then I need to get rid of those 2. It's cool, there's my list. I can go stat, calc. This time I want a log regression, so I'll choose natural log regression. And again, hit enter, and it tells you your equation. And then it's just a matter of putting those numbers in for your equation where they are. So you have y equals 9.977 minus 1.998 natural log of x. To figure out what x is, or to figure out the value when x is 10, just substitute that into your equation. 9.977 minus 1.998 natural log 10. Okay, so that's what I'm entering into the calculator. Then I hit enter, and it'll give me an answer. 5.376. When x equals 10. That's pretty much all there is to it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this section. See y'all in class. Well, bye!